Hello friends, in today's topic we are going to discuss some of the important questions from the lesson Anatomy of Flowering Plants. The first question is, when phloem is present on both the sides of the xylem, the vascular bundle is said to be
Collateral.
option A,
Option C, radial, and option D is conjoint. Say for example, so this is xylem. This is xylem. When phloem is present on both the sides of the xylem. See, this is phloem and this is also phloem. Such condition is called as bicollateral, right? So the correct answer is bicollateral. Okay. The next question, collenchyma differs from sclerenchyma in option A, having thick cell walls, option B, having wide lumen, option C, being flexible, and option D is being living at maturity. So the collenchyma cells are being living at maturity. So option D is the correct answer. The third question, the Casperian strips are found in. The Casperian strips are found in option A, monocot root, option B, dicot root, option C, monocot and dicot stem, and option D is both A and B. Casperian strips are found in both monocot and dicot root. So option D is the correct answer. See, option D is the correct answer. Okay. The next question. Softwood is associated with. See, fourth question. Softwood is associated with option A, higher pteridophytes, option B, angiosperms, option C is dicot stem, and option D is gymnosperms. So softwoods are always associated with gymnosperms. Okay, the correct answer is D, gymnosperms. Angiosperms means it is called as hardwood, right? The annual rings, the next question, fifth one, the annual rings or bands of option A, springwood and autumnwood, option B, secondary xylem and primary xylem, option C, xylem and phloem, and option D is secondary phloem and primary phloem. So the correct answer is annual rings or bands of springwood and autumnwood. So A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question, sixth one. The Casperian rings are present in option A, endodermis, option B, pericycle, option C, epidermis, and option D is peribulum. The Casperian strips are present in option A, endodermis is the correct answer. It is found in the endodermis. Actually, these are barrel shaped cells in which the Casperian strips are present. So endodermis is the correct answer. Seventh question. The stele consists of option A, only vascular bundles, option B, vascular bundles, pericycle, pith and medullary rays, option C, vascular bundles, pericycle and path, option D is vascular bundles and pith. So the correct answer for this question is option B, vascular bundles, pericycle, pith and then medullary rays. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. The fascicular cambium is present. So the fascicular means it is present in between xylem and phloem. As we already know, the fascicular cambium is between the two vascular bundles. Option A. A. Inside the vascular bundles. Option B. Between the two vascular bundles. Option C. Around the vascular bundles. And option D is inside the primary xylem. So the correct answer for this question is option B, that is between the two vascular bundles. So this is the correct answer. See, if this is xylem. So this is xylem and this is phloem, and if cambium is present in between, see these layers, that is called as fascicular cambium. This is fascicular cambium. Then the next question, ninth question. Vascular bundles of a dicot stem are, the ninth question. The vascular bundles of a dicot stem. Option A, closed, collateral and exarch. So exarch is the characteristics of root. See, exarch, you can see the exarch condition only in the roots. So dicot stem, it has cambium, so it is not closed. So the first option is wrong. Again, it is open, collateral and exarch. This is also wrong. Closed, collateral and endarch. So this option is also wrong one. And the final one is, it is open, collateral and endarch. See, this is the correct option. Open because it is having vascular cambium which facilitate the secondary growth. So open is correct. Collateral, xylem is present inside and phloem is present on the outer side. So that is called as collateral. And endarch means the first formed protoxylem that is facing towards the pith region, that is called as endarch. So this is the correct answer for this. The D option is the correct one. Next question. The function of cork cambium is to produce only cork, only secondary cortex, only cambium, and option D is both cork and secondary cortex. The function of cork cambium is to produce both cork and then secondary cortex. So option D is the correct one. Option D for this question. The answer is option D. Next. Pith is small or absent in. Pith is small or absent in. Option A, monocot root. Option B, dicot root. Option C, monocot stem. And option D is dicot stem. So for this, the correct answer is option B, the dicot root. In dicot root, the pith is absent or it is inconspicuous. Okay. Next question. Hydathodes are components of vascular tissues, ground tissues, epidermal tissues, and option D is cortex. See, hydathodes are also called as water stomata. Water stomata. See, for example, in grasses, see here at the tip, it is having some opening which is called as water stomata, right? That water stomata, the exact name is hydathodes. So the hydathodes are associated with or components of A, vascular tissues, no. B, ground tissues, no. Ground tissues means the mesophyll cells or parenchyma cells. Option C, epidermal tissues, right? See, option C, epidermal tissues. That is the correct answer. Option D, cortex tissue system. That is not correct answer. So hydatodes are components of epidermal tissues. Okay. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is living structure? Which of the following is a living structure? Option A, sclerenchyma. No. Sclerenchyma has lignin and suberin deposition. So it is not a living structure. Second, parenchyma. Option B, parenchyma. Parenchyma are living tissues. Right. As we already know, xylem vessels and tracheids are dead tissues. They were dead. So the correct answer for this question, that is which of the following is a living structure? Option B, parenchyma is the correct answer. Next, in collenchyma, the thickening of corners are made up of pectin. Option A, pectin. Option B, lignin. Option C, suberin. And option D is resin. See here it is suberin. Actually it is given as subrin. It is suberin, R-I-N. Okay. See, option B is wrong. Suberin is also wrong. And option D, resin, is also wrong. So the collenchyma cells, it has pectin. It has pectin. That is the correct answer. Next one. Sclerites are also known as accessory cells. No. Option B, companion cells. No. Option C, stone cells. And option D, God cells. See, the sclerites are also known as stone cells. So correct answer for this question is option C. Next, collenchyma constitutes the hypodermis in option A, monocot root. Option B, dicot root. Option A, monocot root. Option B, dicot stem. Option C, dicot root. And option D, monocot stem. So the correct answer for this question is dicot stem. In dicot stem, below the epidermis, we can able to see some of the collenchymal cells, and that is called as hypodermis. So this is the correct answer, option B. Next, companion cells are found in xylem. Option A, xylem. Option B, stomata. Option C, phloem. And option D is endodermis. Companion cells are always associated with option C. This is phloem. Right? Companion cells. Seed tube elements and companion cells or sister cells. See, if this is phloem, this is phloem, and the cells associated with this is called as companion cells. This is companion cell. Both seed tube elements and companion cells or sister cells. Okay. Next question. Sieve tube is the characteristics of, or sieve tube is characterized by option A, presence of lignin. Option B, absence of cytoplasm. Option C, presence of pectin. And option D is absence of nucleus. So the correct answer is, it is devoid of nucleus. There is no nucleus present in the sieve tube elements. As I already said, if this is phloem, another cell is associated with this is called as companion cell. This companion cell is having nucleus. Companion cell. but there is no nucleus in the seed tube. It has cytoplasm on the periphery. See, this is the periphery, and it is having cytoplasm, but there is no nucleus present in the seed tubes. Next one. Which of the following element of xylem is living? See, A is trachea. No, there is no association between trachea and the xylem. B, tracheids. Tracheids, vessels, fibers, or dead ones. So option A, trachea, is the wrong answer. Option B, tracheids, that is also wrong. Option C, parenchyma. See, parenchymal cells are always living, and fibers or dead tissues. So which of the following element of xylem is living? The correct answer is parenchyma. A radial vascular bundle. A radial vascular bundle is found in option A, leaf, option B, stem, option C, flower, option D, root. So the correct answer is option D. In both monocot and dicot roots, in both monocot as well as dicot, you can able to see radial vascular bundles in the root. Okay, the next question. In monocot leaves, the mesophyll cells consist of. In monocot leaves, the mesophyll consists of parenchyma, only spongy chlorenchyma. Option A, parenchyma. Option B, only spongy chlorenchyma. Option C, only palisade. Option D, palisade and spongy chlorenchyma. What is chlorenchyma? If the parenchymal cell is having chloroplast and it is performing photosynthesis, means that is called as chlorenchymal cells, right? So in monocot leaf, there is no differentiation of mesophyll cells. It may be only spongy chlorenchyma because there is no palisade parenchyma is present there. Okay, in monocot leaf only we can able to see spongy parenchyma. So this is the correct answer. If it is dicot, means in dicot we can able to see the elongated cells. See, this is elongated, that is palisade parenchyma, and round or oval shaped. The round or oval shaped, that is spongy parenchyma or spongy chlorenchyma. This is spongy cells. So in monocot everything is spongy chlorenchyma. Okay. The next question. In monocot stem, the vascular bundles are. See the question. In monocot stem, the vascular bundles are. Option A, arranged in rings. Option B, arranged alternatively. Option C, present inside endodermis. And option D, scattered in ground tissue. So option D, in monocot stem, the vascular bundles are scattered in the ground tissues. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Exarch condition of xylem is only found in. Exarch condition is only found in leaf. Option A, leaf. Option B, root. Option C, flower. And option D, stem. The correct answer is exarch is the characteristics of root. Both monocot and dicot root we can able to see exarch xylem. Okay, so the correct option is B. The next question is, endodermis is always absent in. Option A, monocot root. Option B, dicot root. Option C, monocot stem. And option D is dicot stem. The correct answer is monocot stem. So endodermis is always absent in monocot stem. There is no endodermis present in this monocot stem. Okay. Next question. Bulliform cells. See, bulliform cells are found in the leaves of sunflower. Option A, sunflower. It is characteristics of monocot. Okay. Option A, sunflower. Option B, nerium. Option C, maize. And option D, hibiscus. The bulliform cells are found in option C. Maize is the correct answer. See, option C, maize. Maize is the correct answer. Next question. Casperian strips are found on the. So this is typo. Don't consider this one. Casperian strips are found on the option A, walls of pericycle. Option B, walls of endodermis. Option C, walls of epidermal cells. And option D is walls of bundle sheath cells. So the correct answer is, it is present on the walls of endodermal cells. The endodermal cells, or it is otherwise called as endodermis. Endodermal cells. So this is endodermis. Okay. Next question. Which simple permanent tissue is formed of dead cells? Option A, coloncyma. Option B, sclerenchyma. Option C, parenchyma. And option D is xylem. The correct answer for this is sclerenchyma. Xylem is also dead, but it is not simple permanent tissues. This belongs to complex permanent tissues. Complex permanent. Okay. So the correct option is B, sclerenchyma. It is a simple tissue. Sorry, it is a simple permanent tissue. Next one. Steel remains covered by option A, pericycle. Option B, cortex. Option C, endodermis. And option D, conjunctive tissues. So the correct answer is, for this question is, steel is covered by endodermis. The layers next to endodermis is called as steel. So it is covered by endodermis. Okay. Next question. See, that is 29th question. Okay. Which tissue is responsible for the increase in the length of the plant? Option A, lateral meristem. Option B, apical meristem. Option C, intercalary meristem. And option D is cambium. So for the increase in length, it is to increase, that is for the increasing in the length of the plant. No, that is not lateral. So the correct answer is apical meristem. Apical meristem helps to increase the length of the plant. Okay. Next, the dead element of phloem is sieve cells, companion cells, sieve tube, and phloem fibers. So the phloem fibers are always dead. The fibers are dead. Sieve cells are living, companion cells are living cells, and sieve tube also living cells. Okay. Which cells, next one, which cells regulate the functions of sieve tube? Sieve tube is always associated with companion cells, right? Option A, God cells. Option B, passage cells. Option C, companion cells. And option D is bulliform cells. So the correct answer is companion cells. Companion cells are having nucleus, whereas sieve tube cells do not have their own nucleus. Okay. So companion cells regulate the functioning of sieve tubes. Next question. Root hair is always. Once again, I'll slow down the screen. Yeah. Root hair is always. Option A, very long. Option B, multicellular. Option C, cuticularized. And option D is unicellular. For this question, the correct answer is option D. It is unicellular. Okay. Root hairs are always unicellular. The central region of the stem and root is known as. So the central region is occupied by the parenchymal cells, which is called as pith. Okay. So option A, pericycle. Option B, medulla or pith. Option C, endodermis. And option D is cortex. So the correct answer is option B, medulla or pith. Okay. The next question. The lateral meristem increases the dash. A, height of the plant. Thickness of the trunk. C, size of the leaf. And D, branches of the root. The lateral meristem is always useful to increase the girth. To increase the girth or circumference. Girth. So according to this, option B is the correct one. The thickness of the trunk. The lateral meristem increases the thickness of the trunk. Okay. Trunk of the it is used to increase the thickness of the trunk or the entire tree. Okay. Conjoint. Next question. Conjoint, collateral, and open vascular bundles are found in. So conjoint, that is xylem is inside and phloem is present on the outer side. Okay. So that is conjoint and collateral open vascular bundles. In the condition like this. Conjoint, that is both xylem and phloem are present on the same radius. That is called as conjoint. Okay. Collateral. Collateral means xylem is present inside and phloem on the outer side. That is called as collateral. And open vascular bundle. Open means it is having the vascular cambium. The vascular cambial strips are present. See, this is called as open vascular bundle. Such conditions can be seen in option A, monocot stem. Option B, monocot leaf. Option C, dicot stem. And option D, dicot root. So the correct answer for this is dicot stem. In dicot only we can able to see the conjoint vascular bundles. In root, that is not conjoint, it is radial. Here it is radial. Okay. Monocot stem, there is no secondary growth, so this is closed. Monocot leaf also, it is closed type of vascular bundle. So the correct answer is dicot stem. And next one. Lenticels are associated with option A, absorption of moisture. B, photosynthesis. Option C, gaseous exchange. And option D is mineral uptake. The correct answer is option C, for gaseous exchange. Okay. Next one. Which cells regulates the opening and closing of stomata? Passage cells, God cells, companion cells, and epidermal cells. See, the God cells helps in opening and closing of stomata, which are the modified epidermal cells. These are the modified epidermal cells. Okay. Next one. Apical, intercalary, and lateral meristems are differentiated based on their origin. A option, B is function, C is position, and D is development. Apical, intercalary, and cleat. This is based on the position of the origin, differentiation based on the position, right? Next one, which of the following is responsible for the formation of an embryonic shoot called axillary bud? Option A, lateral meristem. Option B, apical meristem. Option C, intercalary meristem. And option D is both B and C. So the correct answer for this is apical meristem. See, apical meristem is the correct answer. Okay. And the final one, when phloem is completely surrounded by xylem, then the vascular bundles are called, okay, so this is phloem. This is phloem. And it is completely surrounded by the xylem. See, this is xylem. This is where the xylem. The phloem is present in the center and it is surrounded by the xylem. Option A, concentric amphivasal. Option B, concentric amphicribral. Option C, radial closed. Option D, bicollateral. So this condition is called as concentric and amphivasal. So option A, concentric and amphivasal is the correct one. For example, if this is xylem, see, this is xylem, and it is surrounded by phloem. See, this is phloem. This is also concentric, but this is called as concentric and amphicribral. Okay, see, this is amphivasal. This is amphicribral. Right? So, like my videos, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.